Alright guys, so I got a 2003-ish or 4-ish Buick here. 2004 Buick. Came in, was towed from another shop. He was climbing a hill, and all of a sudden felt like it just dropped. It was revving. He wasn't making power or anything. The only code in here is a P0300. For those of you that don't know, that's a random or multiple misfire. Luckily with these GMs, you can actually watch stuff like that on these scan tools, especially the ones that we have. So I was actually able to see that cylinder number 6 was misfiring the most. And if you follow this wire, you get to go back to see. Sometimes these control modules that bolt on underneath these coils go bad as well. Moisture gets in, they corrode. These coils themselves go bad all the time. But honestly, this one ended up being kind of cool because I don't know if I can get the light in down here, but I went to go trace the wire, and I actually found this. All 3 of the wires that go to the rear banks are pretty much deteriorated, fried, and all that good stuff. It's tough to see. Wish I had my light. But they pretty much just aged and corroded, so I'm gonna get on this to let them know, hey, we gotta start with plugs and wires to begin, because it doesn't look like these have been changed anytime in the recent future. And then we'll go from there. If it's still misfiring, then I'm gonna start testing these coils to be sure that or the controller's not doing it. And then if that's not the case, then we gotta start looking at a compression check to see if these cylinders are actually able to squeeze the air and fuel that's being delivered to it appropriately so the spark plug's can do its job. But I'm 90% sure, I think we may have found the problem. I'll be back.